Hello friend, I am Dr. Heram Gaikwad and today I am going to discuss with you on review of logic gates. Then what is logic gates? Logic gates is a basic building block of any digital system. It is an electronic circuit having one or more input and only one output. Gate is a device that performs a basic mathematical operation on electrical signal. Gates are combined into a circuit to perform more complicated tasks. Basically, there are three types of basic gates and four derived gates. Basic gates are AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, and derived gates are NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate, and XNOR gate. Now, one could ask the question that how gates are constructed. Gate is a combination of transistors that perform binary logic. A transistor is a device that acts depending on voltage of input signal, either as a wire that conducts electricity or as a resistor that blocks the flow of electricity. A transistor has no moving parts, yet it acts like a switch. It is made up of semiconductor material which is neither a particular good conductor of electricity such as copper nor a particular good insulator such as. Now let's start with AND gate. This is the symbol for two input AND gate. A and B are the two inputs for AND gate and output Y equals to A into B. The output of AND gate is simply multiplication of the input variables. This is the Boolean expression for AND gate, that is Y equals to A into B. The truth table for AND gate is given here. These are the two inputs 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, and here is the output 0 0 0 1. The text description for AND gate is when one of the input is low, the output is low, otherwise output is high. From this truth table we can see if one of the input is low, output is low. One of the input is low, output is low. One of the input is low, output is low, otherwise high. Next is OR gate. Here is the symbol for two input OR gate. A and B are the two inputs and Y is the output. Boolean expression for OR gate is Y equals to A plus B. The output of OR gate is simply addition of input variables. Here is the truth table. Here A and B are given over here and output Y equals to A plus B given over here. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 and output is 0 1 1 1. The text description for OR gate is when one of the input is high. When one of the input is high, output is high, otherwise low. Next gate is NOT gate. The symbol for NOT gate is given over here. Here is single input A and output is the inversion of input signal. Here is the Boolean expression Y equals to A complement. The output of NOT gate is simply inversion of input signal. It is also referred to as an inverter. Here is the truth table for NOT gate. Here input signal is 0, output is 1, and input signal is 1, output is 0. The text description for NOT gate is when input is high, that is 1, the output is low, or vice versa. The next is NAND gate. This is the first derived gate and the symbol for two input NAND gate is given over here. A and B are the two inputs and Y is the output. NAND gate is logically equivalent to AND gate followed by an inverter. The output of NAND gate is inversion of the output of AND gate. Boolean expression for AND gate is Y equals to AB complement. The truth table for the NAND gate is given over here. Here A and B are the inputs, that is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. and output for the NAND gate is 1 1 1 0. We know the output for AND gate is 0 0 0 1. The text description for NAND gate is when one of the input is low, when one of the input is low, output is high. Otherwise, the next is NOR gate. The symbol for two input NOR gate is given over here. A and B are the two inputs for NOR gate and Y is the output for NOR gate. The only difference between OR gate and NOR gate is the bubble at the output edge of the gate. NOR gate is logically equivalent to the OR gate followed by an inverter. The output of NOR gate is the inversion of output of OR gate, that is Y equals to A plus B complement. The truth table for NOR gate is tabulated over here. If input is 0 0, then output is A plus B complement, that is 0 plus 0 complement is 1. Then 0 plus 1, that is equals to 0, then complement of that is 0. 1 plus 0, again 1, 1 complement is 0, 1 plus 1 is 1, that complement equals to 0. The text description for NOR gate is when one of the input is high, when one of the input is high, output is low. Otherwise, the next gate is XOR gate or exclusive OR gate. Here is the symbol for exclusive OR gate. A and B are the two inputs for XOR gate and Y is the output of XOR gate, and Boolean expression for XOR gate is Y equals to A mod B, that is equals to A B complement plus A complement B. This symbol is called mod 2 addition. Here is the equivalent circuit for XOR gate. The equivalent circuit for XOR gate is built using two AND gates, two NOT gates and one OR gate. Here is the truth table for XOR gate. Here are the two inputs, that is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. The text description for XOR gate is when both the inputs are identical, that is 0 0 or 1 1, the output is low. Otherwise, the output is high. The next is XNOR gate or exclusive NOR gate. The symbol for two input XNOR gate is given over here. Here are the two inputs and here is one input, that is Y equals to A mod B complement. The equivalent circuit for XNOR gate can be built up using two AND gates, two NOT gates and one. The Boolean expression for XNOR gate is Y equals to A mod B complement, that is equals to A dot B plus A complement dot B complement. The XNOR gate or exclusive NOR gate is logically equivalent to an XOR gate followed by an inverter. Here is the truth table tabulated over here. A and B are the two inputs 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 and Y is the output, that is equals to A mod B complement and is given by 1 0 0 1. The text description for XNOR gate is when both the inputs are identical. When both the inputs are identical, that is 0 0 or 1 1, then output is high, otherwise low. We have seen 3 basic gates and 4 derived gates. Now we will consider few problems for practice. Then problem 1 is obtain truth table for given logic circuit. Here is the logic circuit consists of one OR gate and one AND gate. Here the output of first OR gate is Y equals to A plus B. It's just simply addition of two input variables A plus B, and here the input for AND gate is input A and output of OR gate, that is A plus B. And we know the output of AND gate is the multiplication of two input variables, that is A into A plus B. That is, output of AND gate is Y equals to A plus B into A. So here is the truth table for this logic circuit, that is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. And output of OR gate is, as we know, one of the input is high, output is high for the OR gate, and hence the output of OR gate is 0 1 1 1. And now we know the output of AND gate is multiplication of two variables, that is A plus B and A. 0 into 0, that is 0, 0 into 1, that is again 0, 1 into 1, that is 1, and 1 into 1, that is 1. And finally we get the output of this logic circuit is 0 0 1 1. Similar to first example, the second example is obtain the truth table for given logic circuit. Here again two NOT gates are used, one AND gate and one OR gate is used. The input for first AND gate is A complement, because A is passes through NOT gate and the output of NOT gate is A complement, and second input for AND gate is B. And as we know, the output of AND gate is simply multiplication of two input variables, that is A complement B. The input for OR gate is, the first input is the output of AND gate, that is A complement B, and the second input for OR gate is B complement. As we can see, B is passes through the NOT gate. And finally we get the output of OR gate. As we know, the output of OR gate is simply the addition of two input variables, that is Y equals to A complement B plus B complement. Following is the truth table for given logic circuit. A and B are the two inputs, that is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. And first we calculate A complement and B complement. As we know, A complement is 1 1 0 0 and B complement is 1 0 1 0. Then output of first AND gate is A complement dot B. So here we have to multiply these two input variables. 0 into 1 0, 1 into 1 1, 0 into 0 0, and 1 into 0 again 0. Now finally the output of OR gate is A complement B plus B complement. So we have to add this input variable, that is Y prime, and this input variable, that is B complement. 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, and 0 plus 0 0. Finally we have the output of given logic circuit is 1 1 1 0. The next example is draw necessary logic diagram and write truth table for given Boolean expression, that is Y equals to AB plus A dot B complement. For this Boolean expression, first we need two AND gates in order to multiply the two variables, that is AB and A dot B complement, one NOT gate in order to invert the input signal, that is B complement, and we need one OR gate for addition of two output signals of AND gates. Make the connection of these gates as shown in this figure, that is input A and B are directly given to the first AND gate, and output of first AND gate is, that is y1 equals to AB, and input for second AND gate is A and B complement, that is output of second AND gate is A dot B complement. These two outputs are given to the OR gate, and as we know, the output of OR gate is simply the addition of the two input signals. Here is the truth table. A and B are the two inputs, that is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, and we require one more variable, that is B complement, that is 1 0 1 0. Output of first AND gate is, that is y1 equals to AB, is 0 0 0 1, and output of second AND gate is, that is A dot B complement, is 0 0 1 0, and finally the output of OR gate is AB plus A dot B complement, and is given by addition of two input variables, that is 0 plus 0 0 0 plus 0 0 0 plus 1 1, and 1 plus 0, that is 1. Here are the few problems for homework. Any question? If you encounter any difficulty, then please let us know in the comment box. If you like this video, then press like button, and please do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.